Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I really want to shed some light on Tesla stock and kind of give you guys my opinion on kind of what's going on with the company in general. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and overall, I really hope you guys get something of value out of this video. And if you do, hit the like button because it really helps me out. Also, don't forget to check out my course. And so now let's jump into it. So over the past 12 months, Tesla's really market cap has soared over $800 billion here. This is when it's hitting around $900 a share, okay? And now it really has sold off all the way down to about $600 and did find some overall support there. So this is when we have a tendency to see buying pressure enter this stock. And really we had a huge day, one of the largest that Tesla has ever seen in the past 12 months. And then we just had a little consolidation as of today. Little sell-off, nothing much. So what's going on with it? A lot of analysts and a lot of fund managers are pretty much saying this, okay? Tesla is in a bubble and it's going down. And I just want to give you guys my opinion on that. Is it going to collapse, fall? Absolutely not. I really believe Tesla carries a ton of long and short-term potential. The reason why I say short-term is because when a stock sells off this much, there is a huge opportunity for a reversal here, for a swing trade reversal. And I really believe within the next 6 to 8 months, we'll probably see the stock trading around $800. And then within the next year to 14 months, hitting highs or breaking out of these highs here and possibly hitting $1,000 within the next 12 months. So with that being said, I really believe there's a lot of potential for it. And on top of it, the fundamentals of Tesla are a little crazy. I'll give you that. The price to earnings is very expensive. So for every dollar of earnings, you're really hoping for 3,200, and that's very expensive. That's a lot. That's in a lot of cases overvalued, right? But the thing is as a growth investor, you always have to understand, these stocks carry a little risk, but also a lot of reward. And with that risk, does have tendency to have higher price to earnings. Now, this is a little article here wrote in 2011 here. Okay, Amazon stock is overvalued, overloved, right? And these are pretty much the same analysts that are saying that Tesla's in a bubble, right? So the thing that I always think is these people were wrong with Amazon. They could easily be wrong with Tesla. And I really believe that over the past, couple of years, we've seen a lot of growth with a lot of electric vehicle stocks, and Tesla is that front runner that is going to continue to dominate the market. If you look over the past couple of months, Tesla's numbers have been phenomenal. They've had record deliveries, record margin. They've had very strong customer reviews, which is incredible. So the fundamentals, yes, are a little crazy. I'll give you that. But the revenue, the profit, all of that is great. On top of it, Tesla is moving into the crypto and all of that other stuff, which is phenomenal. They've made more money off crypto, off their investment, than they did in the first quarter of 2020, which is phenomenal. They just moved some of their cash into an asset, which is phenomenal. So I really believe that Tesla isn't afraid to take risk, and with risk comes reward. So I really believe Tesla carries a lot of potential here. So now that we kind of have, some fundamentals here that I did talk about, let's look at the technical analysis. So resistance. The resistance here is these highs here at around $900. You guys can see it had a very hard time breaking above those highs. So that is the overall resistance here at 900. Now support, you guys can see this red trend line right here. The support is on that trend line. So the next real major support that we will see is, let me go ahead and get the drawing tool and just make this a little longer here. So probably 650 would be my guess. So if this stock falls down to 650, we will get probably some buying pressure stepping into this, because I really believe huge opportunity. Not to mention, every investor always wants to buy low, sell high. So when a stock sells off this much, this is pretty much buying it undervalued. You guys can hold it, hits highs, sell it for a very strong profit. And for all the swing traders out there, you could hop in, set your stops here right around $600, right below it here. So you're risking around $70-$80 to possibly make $200 or $300. So with that being said, I really believe Tesla carries a lot of potential. There's a lot of people saying it's overvalued, and those same people were saying Amazon was overvalued. The same people were saying Microsoft's overvalued, Apple, all of that. People just have to understand that there's still a huge demand for electric vehicles, and a Tesla is the front runner and takes up a majority of the electric vehicle space. So I'm a huge bull on Tesla, and I've been investing as much as I could, but I made like thousands of dollars off it, and I really believe a perfect strategy too for people who don't have thousands of dollars to invest. Dollar cost average this one all day so you can get a good average price. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys got something of value out of this video. So remember to stay happy, stay positive, guys, and stay safe out there. We'll see you later. Take care.